Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a complaint under the Consumer Protection Act. First, ensure your issue falls within the Act's scope, typically involving defective goods, deficient services, or unfair trade practices. You'll need to collect all relevant documents, such as purchase receipts, warranty cards, and communication records. This preparation is crucial for building a strong case and helps streamline the entire process, making it much smoother for you. Before officially filing, always try to resolve the matter directly with the business. Send them a formal written notice, clearly outlining your complaint and what you expect as a resolution, perhaps a refund or replacement. Give them a reasonable timeframe, like 15 to 30 days, to respond. Document every interaction, including phone calls and emails, as this evidence will be vital if you proceed with a formal complaint. To formally file, first identify the correct consumer forum based on your claim's value. For instance, claims up to 50 lakh rupees might go to a district forum. Prepare your complaint meticulously, detailing the facts, the relief sought, and attaching all supporting documents. You can file this either online through the National Consumer Helpline portal or in person at the appropriate forum, paying a nominal fee, often just a few hundred rupees. After filing, the forum will issue notices to both parties. You must attend all hearings and present your case clearly. Be open to mediation, as many cases are resolved amicably before a final order. The process can take several months, sometimes even over a year, so patience is key. Always keep copies of all documents and communications, and don't hesitate to seek legal advice if your case becomes complex.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.